Ever wonder about the hidden genius keeping you safe at 35,000 feet? Well, let's find out.
So, you ready to explore some engineering that defies logic? Let's start with how pilots actually feel the plane.
You'd think effortless controls are a good thing, right? Well, for a pilot, that can be super dangerous.
So engineers did something totally counterintuitive. They actually added fake resistance back into the controls.
This system, called artificial feel, gives pilots that crucial feedback, preventing them from making huge errors.
Speaking of counterintuitive stuff, let's talk cabin pressure. The answer is the exact opposite of what you'd think.
It's kind of like a leaky balloon. The system doesn't just pump air in, it actually controls the leak. A single smart valve manages all this, protecting the plane from dangerous overpressurization. It's that simple.
This brings up a fascinating question. In a crisis, who's really in charge, the human or the machine?
Imagine this. Air traffic control and the plane's computer give conflicting orders. Who does the pilot listen to?
The Collision Avoidance System, TCAS, might issue a direct, non-negotiable command, just like that.
The golden rule: the pilot must obey the TCAS, because it's also talking to the other plane, coordinating the move.
Now let's talk about balance. As a plane burns fuel, its center of gravity shifts. So how does it stay stable?
Older planes used a tiny flap on the tail. Modern jets, though, they do something way more radical.
The entire horizontal tail actually pivots, constantly adjusting the plane's balance. A brilliant and fuel-efficient design.
So how do all these systems connect? Let's look at how a pilot's controls connect to the wings and tail. Forget heavy, complex mechanical cables. Modern jets use a revolutionary digital system called fly-by-wire.
Now, a pilot's movement sends an electrical signal to a computer, which then moves everything with precision.
Each of these systems is like a masterpiece of engineering that works together in a kind of hidden symphony.
It's just a brilliant illustration of how the most genius solutions are often hidden right in plain sight.